In this video, I will show you how the new electric charge port works and what the flashing LED is all about. The Taycan has two charging ports, one on each side of the car. Only this one right here can be used for DC fast charging, but both can be used for AC charging. As part of its basic vehicle configuration, each port of Taycan is equipped with an electric charging cover. The Taycan Turbo GT is the exception here, with having only one manual charging cover in most countries. Inside the car, you can access the charging port via the quick access button in the center console control panel. From here you have the option to access the front trunk, the tailgate and the charging ports. Keep in mind that only one charging port can be opened at a time. You will also have the option to open the charging port when accessing the charging screen. Additionally, you can access the charging port with the help of a hand gesture. To open the cover, make sure that the Taycan is unlocked and then simply swipe your hand underneath the sensor. If you have comfort access activated, you can also open the charging cover when the car is locked, as long as you have the key with you. Swipe like this. Okay, it's open and ready to charge. Let's talk about the display logic. This is the charging button. For those of you who know the display logic from the predecessor, it has been somewhat streamlined. I'll plug the cable in now. It's blinking white, which means the car is initializing the charging process. The startup usually takes a few seconds. A pulsating green light means that it's charging. By the way, you may hear a faint click when the charging initializes. This is the locking mechanism. The plug will remain locked for the duration of the charging process. Once the state of charge has been reached, the light at the port will show a solid green color. Additionally, with the charging process finished, the lock has already been released. The unlocking function is always automatically activated at DC charging stations so that the cable will be available for the next driver. However, with AC stations, you can decide whether you want the plug unlocked once charging is done. You can do this in the PCM. If you have disabled the AC automatic unlocking mechanism, you need to unlock the plug manually. For this, also make sure that the Taycan is unlocked, or if you have comfort access activated, that you have the car key with you. Then simply press the lock release button on the vehicle charging port and pull the plug within 20 seconds. Please keep in mind that if the car is charging at the moment, the charging procedure will be interrupted when you press the button. The light will show a solid white color, which means that the charging process has stopped. There are two more signals you may encounter. If there is any error, it'll show a solid red color. In that case, simply restart the charging process. A flashing blue light means that the plug is locked, but the charging process has been paused due to a previously set charging timer. Okay, that's it. When you unplug the cable, the charging cover will close automatically after 10 seconds. It'll also close if nothing happens for 2 minutes. But you can close it yourself by either locking your car with the car key or with a swipe gesture. Now you know how to operate your charge port and what the flashing light means. Enjoy driving your Taycan, and I'll see you in the next video.